Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you a program that sets the system volume according to the distance between my fingers. Let me take you through the code. Here, I, I import the required libraries. This part is about initializing the webcam to capture my hand. Here, I activate the media pipe hands module. This module is used to track my hand and do all the required calculations. After that, I give access to the program to access my system speakers. Here we enter the main part. First, we have to capture a frame. After this, we process the frame and track the coordinates of the landmarks. Landmarks are the important points in my hand, like the fingertips, knuckles, etc. Here I do the required calculations and convert the coordinates into pixels and other required calculations. Then I draw the circles and lines on my hand, which on the frame, which we will see later. In this part, I set the system volume according to the distance between my fingers and the calculations that we have done earlier. Then we design the volume bar in the frame, which we will be seeing later, and we show the processed frame and end the program. Let's run the program. And also I would advise you to take a look at this part where my cursor is, so you will be able to check if my results are actually working. Here I take my hand, and as you can see, all the landmarks are showing and all the lines are drawn. If I slowly increase the volume, if I slowly increase the distance between my fingers, as you can see here, the volume is being increased and decreased. I also have a video open, so let's check if it's actually happening. So as you can see, it's actually working. That will be all. Thank you.